Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I will show you how I created this gaming thumbnail for the game Black Myth Wukong. So let's open Photoshop. Now I will bring in my first image. I have some screenshots from the game. Let's make a copy of this image by pressing Ctrl J. Now I will bring in another image. I want this image to be on this side. Let's rasterize this layer. Now go to Quick Selection tool and click on Select Subject. Refine the selection. Go to Select and Mask and click on Refine Hair. Click OK. Now click on the mask button. Now go to the bottom layer and press Ctrl T to transform it and drag this layer on this side. Now create a mask for this layer. Take the brush and increase the flow. Take away the edge of this layer. Now with the top layer selected, press Ctrl Shift N and change the mode to color dodge. Check fill with color dodge neutral color black. Okay. Now I will add shine on his dress a little. Decrease the size of the brush and decrease the flow to 8%. And now click wherever you think there is already shine. Now convert this layer for smart filters. Open camera raw filter and increase its exposure. Dehaze it to bring more clarity. Increase the saturation a little bit. Press OK. Now make a copy of this layer by pressing Ctrl J and bring this layer below this layer. Now let's add shine behind our subject. Increase the size of the brush. And click near the subject. Add low. Okay, let's bring in our logo. Resize it and change the blend mode to multiply. Let's add shine behind the logo as well. Select this layer. Go to brush. Decrease the size of the brush and click. Increase the flow a little. And click behind the logo to make it shine. To add shine behind the logo. Now on top of all these layers, create a color lookup layer. Apply crisp warm and decrease its opacity around 45%. Alright, we are done with the gaming thumbnail of the game Black Myth Wukong.